Listen well, all of you. This shall indeed grow in grace and beauty, beloved by all who know her. But before the sun sets on her 16th birthday, she shall prick her finger on the spindle of a spinning wheel and die.
Far from the warmth of our studio, in the bedroom with my other spooky toys, stands Maleficent, my favourite Disney villain. She's been on display here since 2013, which might be when she was last dusted. I've long admired, yet never unboxed her. She was a generous gift from an old friend who worked for Disney at the time. She's a collector's doll from the Disney Villains Designer Collection, created in 2012, a Disney Store exclusive, and mine is one of 13,000 made. With her cover box removed, I can start to remove her many ties, gimbals and bands. She's centered on a built-in stand, and her staff was slotted into a plastic surround too. It's so pretty, with 3 clawed tips and a textured but not opaque crystal ball on top. She's nearly free, but her shoes are banded to her legs, and there's plastic on her legs too. I'll remove the dress to get to those. We can see her number here as well. Oh! The top of her stand is still attached. That goes here. The plastic and bands are gone, although they have left marks in her soft rubbery legs. Her feet are pretty soft too. She has a little bend to her elbows and hands. Her hips rotate outwards and knees have a one-click bend. She rotates easily at the waist. Her cloak has stained her head here, but we can see her rooted lashes and wicked hairstyle. I don't know how they've done it, but her hair horns have little banded bunches that are snipped off at the back. Her head has some side-to-side tilt, up and down, and rotates as well. Let's look at the clothes next. Her classic black heels here, with Disney on the soles. 2 faux leather arm tubes with gathered netting and pointed cuffs. The inside of her cloak here, fine purple velvet with awesome ragged style points. There's an opening here at the collar and a decorative gold and green fastening. The outside of the cloak is beautiful black velvet. Isn't her silhouette wonderful? Her hobble skirt is the same black velvet with panels of red and purple at the front. The bodice is faux leather with gathered net trim round the top. It's panelled like a corset with these flicked up hip accents. The lower hips are then layered up with all these pointed shapes. The closure is Velcro, and it's all very neat inside too. Beautiful. Let's get her dressed and get a better look at everything together. The reason I wanted to share my Maleficent today is that Tammy Powley and Marna of Dolls Rescued are having a friendly competition on both their channels. They're each creating their own Maleficent dolls and are asking viewers to vote on their favourites, ranking them each from 1 to 10 in the comments. They wanted viewers to share their own Maleficent dolls too, using the hashtag #MeanMeanMaleficent. So if you've enjoyed this, then definitely check out the other Maleficent content coming out today too. I do hope you've enjoyed a closer look at this wickedly awesome villain. Disney might have some great princesses, but their villains just can't be beaten. And if you can't beat them, then join them.